So we got the Barn Owl. It's a mixed fermentation farmhouse ale with Ontario peaches. So it's a Saison. This is their number 3. It's a 6.5%er. It has a blend of Brettanomyces strains, other bugs, and fresh Niagara peaches, like I mentioned. So I'm pretty excited for this one.
I hardly know, sir.
I decided to change the camera angle. I like the framing of the vertical video, but obviously try to avoid vertical video. But it just seems to make sense sometimes. I don't know. I have to be like further away now and stuff. So it's supposed to be I don't know, very floral. My friend thought it was like really good, but not as good as their second one. Apparently, number 2 had like more full flavor. So I don't have nothing to compare it to. I'm looking forward to it. It wasn't cheap. It was like $12 a bottle. They keep it in barrels for 5 months, I think. Could be lying about that, but yeah. They're like pairs well with a fancy glass. So let's just see how. Oh, yeah, that has a really nice Brett Saison kind of. Oh, that kind of tickles a bit. I haven't figured out exactly what's like a farmhouse and what's not, but I'd say this is more of like reminds me of more of like wine than a farmhouse, if that makes any sense. Ooh. Oh shit. I didn't think it was gonna be this good. Oh man. It's really tart. It's really I didn't know it was gonna be so funky. Oh my god, that's so good. So glad I got 3 bottles of this. The other 2 are in the cellar. If it gets better with age. Oh, it's already so good. Oh man. Okay. I wasn't expecting to like it so much. Didn't know it was going to be like this at all. I didn't know what to expect. So it's pretty sour. For me, I could always go for more sour. I guess it's like a medium sour or something. Medium to light, I guess. Still pretty sour. I give it like a 8.2. It's an 8.2 out of 10, maybe 8.3. Definitely an 8.2.